Hi, my name is Julia. I'm an education entrepreneur from Brazil. And what I do for a living is to think of creative ways of teaching technology to people, is to try to bridge people that never had contact with technology and how we can make it more interactive so people are not so scared. And the reason why I decided to do this is because I don't come from a tech background at all. I actually was really scared. I wanted to be an engineer, but I didn't study engineering because I didn't think I was smart enough for math. And after some time, I realized that a lot of people don't want to go into the STEM field because they don't think they are smart enough. However, if you look at people, they are always solving problems with creativity. And for me, that's what innovation is all about. And technology is a tool that can power innovation, that can foster innovation. So, for example, right now, if you check the map of innovation around the world, you see you have 15 countries that spend most of their GDP in innovation and research, right? If you combine the population together, let's say all these 15 countries, everybody works with innovation, which we know is not true. You have around 761 million people. Then if you count, inside these 15 countries, none of them are the BRIC countries. And African countries are not as well. So you have the entire African continent left out: India, Brazil, and China and Russia, which are huge populations. If you combine all of these other populations, you have around 4 billion people. So all these 4 billion people, they are still innovating. It's a matter of perspective. They're always innovating because when you don't really have resources, you have to be innovative. But somehow something happens and this doesn't translate to the market. So you have all these people doing rocket science inside their houses to solve everyday problems with a lot of creativity, crazy things. Sometimes you show a mathematician something, they say, this is not physically possible, and they're doing. And yet we can't translate that into the field and generate more capital for these people. So what I decided to do a couple of years ago is to form a group of people, engineers, psychologists, lots of different people, and try to reimagine a way of teaching tech to those people that are the non-geeks, the people that are considered everyday people. How can we show them that you have a lot of potential and you're already super creative and you can do stuff? Because you're already doing it. You just don't know. You don't value it. You don't see it as a skill. You think that, that's just some rubbish, some really quick idea you had to solve a problem. But that's exactly what's the important thing. And that is what is going to differentiate ourselves from the machines. You have everything that's happening right now, the fourth industrial revolution, more and more robots, but technology is not really about rather building something functional anymore. It's about how you use it to express yourself.